Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a translucent laundry soap. How to make a translucent laundry soap. The soap market today is highly competitive because so many people can make soap. There are so many luxurious and exquisite soap that are flooding the market. As a handmade soaper, you need to learn new techniques to improve on the quality of your product. People are craving for what they call transparent soap, especially civilized communities such as cities and town dwellers. And if you must remain relevant in the market, you need to adjust to the demands of the time. You don't need to worry about having heavy machines to do your production if you don't have the money at the moment. What you need is the science and art of formulating a workable recipe for your own brand of transparent soap. The science behind transparent and translucent soap is the solubility of soap in certain liquid called solvent. Soap is soluble in certain organic solvents such as ethanol, methanol, methylated spirit, acetone, and isopropanol. But out of all this, it is only ethanol that is safe and cheaper to be used as a solvent for soap. When ethanol dissolves soap, the product will not have a clear appearance, so you need to blend some other substances into the soap to enhance the clarity of the product. These substances are sugar and glycerin. That was the science behind making a transparent soap. The art part of the process is crafting your soap in the way that it will appeal to customers, and this has to do with the scent, the color, and the shape of your soap. In today's lesson, we are going to produce about 360 ml of translucent laundry soap from the following recipe.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Continue watching as I demonstrate the production.
You said